Hello students, Standard 8 English 2.3 poem The Worm. Now let us analyze this poem. That means we have to write the critical appreciation of the poem. You can write critical appreciation in two ways. One is in the paragraph format and point wise. It is better in 8th standard to write critical appreciation as point wise. Now point 1. Poem and Poet. The Worm poem is written by Thomas Gisborne. Theme. The theme of the poem is, we should respect every creature, big or small, for each has their own role to play in this universe. Tone. Tone of the poem is serious and thought-provoking. This poem makes us to think a lot. And how should we behave in our day-to-day life? And how should we protect our environment? It is in the imperative mood. Structure and stanzas. Stanzas are of 4 lines each. Means this, if you consider other poems, lines are short and each stanza contains 4 lines each. Rhyme and rhythm. Rhyme scheme is AB, AB, first stanza. Second stanza CD, CD, and so on. That means if you consider the second stanza, first and third line and second and fourth lines rhyme each other. The last words of the first and third line and the second and fourth line of every stanza rhyme. Rhythm is smooth. Language and imagery. Here archaic language is used because many old English words have been used. For example, thy, deride, thee, canst, etc. Language and imagery. Language is archaic language, as I already told you. Figures of speech. Important figures of speech, as I explained you earlier video, are apostrophe, inversion, alliteration, and tautology also. Special features. The poem conveys the message, do not harm any creature, as all are God's creation. Now last point is, my favorite lines. Here, if you ask me which are my favorite lines, I will tell you, turn thy hasty foot aside, nor crush that helpless worm. Because these two lines tell us the main theme of this poem. We should not neglect any creature. We should not behave careless when we walk or when we behave in our day-to-day life. Why I like or dislike the poem? I like this poem because it states, give each creature their freedom so that they can enjoy their lives the way we are enjoying ours. So write this critical appreciation of the poem in your notebook and learn it, and it will be asked for first term examination. Thank you.